What's up, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here. I'm just coming to give y'all a quick video on some things that I got going on with the Forex market. But before we get into that, I wanted to talk about this awesome website right here called forexfactory.com. All right, this awesome website right here not only tells you when the news is going to hit, it also tells you which currency pairs is profiting right now. On top of, let me just go into this little tab right here. You got forums. You can come in here and you can check out the forums and see what was, what's trending. A lot of people talk about indicators and sniper entries and stuff like that in the forums, so I would definitely check them out. um like I said, you got trades in here. It tell you what type of trades people taking. All right, and you could just see you see my Euro USD up there. My Euro USD up there is more than one, so that lets you know that you want to be trading that. All right. I also got my thing set to high priority people. But like I said, you got the news. You come in here and it shows you all the news or what's going on and whatnot. And you could take the news and trade the news. I know a few traders that do that. You got the calendar. It shows you which days is going to be going on. The orange and the red ones are the more priority ones. The yellow ones are like moderate, but you still want to know about those things. But still, man, this is how you do it with this one little thing here. This is the market. It tells you it got a scanner on some of these things, and it just lets you know what's going on with everything. All right. So I just wanted to show that to you. Um, I'm gonna try to set up all my videos and get everything moving sometime this week, so you guys can have proper links and everything inside of the descriptions inside of my videos. But with further ado, let's go and get right into the MetaTrader stuff today. Um, today. Oh, wait. Quick disclaimer. Anything that I teach you, anything on my channel is strictly for educational purposes. None of which I speak is 100% solely 100% accurate, going to say you're going to win $1,000,000 this week. Okay, no, that's not what I'm trying to teach you here. What I'm trying to teach you here on my channel is how to become a profitable and consistently, or how we can say consecutively, a consistent profitable trader. That's what I want to say. I want to help everyone become consistent profitable traders. All right, without any of that, you are not going to know how to do any of this in the Forex market if you can't be consistent, you can't be profitable, and if you're not a trader, then what the hell you doing on? All right, but still, we're going to just try to go in here. We're going to try to answer as many questions as I possibly can about the Forex market. All right, first being first, let's get into the question. How do you make money in the Forex market? Because a lot of people don't know what the hell they're talking about. And a lot of people in these YouTube videos just watching YouTube videos, and it's stressing them out. It's stressing them out, people. All right, I'm about to light y'all up like fireworks because today is 4th of July. So happy 4th to all my people out there, and to all my real people out there, happy Juneteenth part 2. Because you know what we getting into, man. But still, like I said, how you make money in the Forex market is, right? This is price. Wherever this line is here, this red and blue line here, this is price, all right? Wherever price go, whether it be up or down, you can make money on it, all right? So as you see right here, let's go back. Price was down here, and then price picked itself up, right? Price picked itself up, and then it fell. So down here, you would have put a buy trade, all right? You would have put a buy trade. It wouldn't have been no at no 1 point lot, but you would have put a buy trade, and you have gotten. Let me see. Let's see. Let's do the high. Let's do the high when it started showing its symbols. Let's do the high. 47.10. Oh, it's profits. It's profits. So it's. Oh shit! Hold up. I might have to do that. Add that 1 point. Yeah, 47.10 minus about, it look like 8 grand, but I can't do it like that. So I'm gonna do 1.14710 and then 1.08050. All right. 1.14710 minus 1.08050. Okay. It looked like it says 666 position movements was made in between there and there. Let's give a good check of it. All right. 80-10. See, this is why I say I don't think it is, because in between each box here is about 700 pips. 700 pips. Okay. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. 1.08050. This minus the one. Yeah, it's got to be more than that, guys. It's got to be more than that. Give me a minute. 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 Let's get this right. Let's get this right. 1.1, 1.0, 80, 10. All right. Let's rotate this. Plus 1.140. Was it? It was 40-10, right? 40-10. 40-10. We're gonna take the 6 off. It looked like it was about 2,220 position movements. All right. That's what it looked like it did. I mean, yeah, I am adding this as well, so that's why I said I wanted to go ahead and do this. It's 40-10 minus 8,050. Yeah, I was off. It's 4,440 position movements from my thing at from here to here is 4,000 pips. All right, a pip. If you on my channel and you watching, a pip is a position movement. Whether it be up or down, it is a pip. All right. So it was 4,440. If we take 4,440 and we times that by a 0.10 lot, you would have made $444 in the matter of a week and a half. One stock, one trade. Let's say you got a $100 account, right? And you would have been able to put 3 of them. It would have been 4,440 times a 0.3 lot. You would have made $1,330 in your week just by letting that trade sit. All right? You would have let that trade sit and you'd have made your money. That's how you do it. When it come up to here and it was started to pull back, you would have put a sell. All right? You would have put a sell and you would have let the market do what it do. See, the way this works is you put a buy if the market is going to go up, and you put a sell if you think hold up. Let me dumb down my words. I don't want to say market because then you looking at it like what? Okay. You put a buy trade if the price starts to go up. The euro dollar versus the United States dollar. If the euro dollar starts to go up, it's more money for us. So you put a buy trade to catch that euro dollar spike, and you would have got all that money because the convert from the euro to USD would have been, what I think it's $1.17. Every euro is worth $1.17. So, all right, you would have did that, and then you would have put your sell as soon as you would have seen that market started to sell. All right, market started to sell, and you know what you was doing. I'm gonna come up with something to show you guys better representation of this. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna get better at this to show y'all how it's going on. All right, so we already answered that question. How do you make money in the foreign exchange market? That's how you make your money. You make your money by saying where you think price is going to go. See, price is over here, and you thinking like, oh, what is it going to do? Is it going to go up or down? I wish I knew. It's in a range right now. Whenever it's bunched up like this and all this noise, it's in a range. All right. So, like I said, that's how you make money in the foreign exchange. Next question is going to be how do you add indicators on to no. How do I get into the foreign exchange market? How you get into the foreign exchange market is you get a broker, and then you connect your broker to your MetaTrader. Open a demo account, they'll give you one, or you can log in with your existing broker. All right, it'll give you one, and you'll be in here. My broker is Trader's Way. I got in on a really great deal, and I'm not sure if they're running it anymore. But if anybody's interested in my broker, just shoot me a comment, and I'll give you further instructions on how to go about that. Yeah, you get your broker. You connect your broker to a trading app, and then you just trade. All right. From there, it's that simple. Next question being let's see. I guess we want to see some of this stuff here. Let me see. How do you add indicators? I did that before. You hit the little F. See, hit the little F, then you hit the little blue F here, and it'll take you to indicators. These indicators at the top are for trend. The next set is oscillators, which lets you know about reversals. And next one is volumes, which lets you know how much money uh, or inflation is going to be coming. And the next one is Bill Williams and his oscillator and stuff. It's like a mixture of all of them with the Bill Williams. So you just add it. You figure out which ones are you going to rock with, and you rock with them. I'm gonna do a video on which ones are the best indicators to use at any given time, and then you guys can go ahead and play with the strategies. My paid subscribers, I'm going to be actually showing you different strategies with different indicators. So whatever you feel as though is the one you want, you can grasp from or tweak it. Boom, go from there. But I'm definitely not giving that to the free crowd because that's too much knowledge for y'all. I only want to give the advanced or the intermediate people the next level. Okay, so with that said, that's question number 2. Question number 3 is, how do I pull out my money? All right, let's say I would have had a trade in. I would have just swiped on it here. I've seen your many videos, and you would hit take profit, and then you would have took your money, and your account would have been you would have been um money would just sit in your account. Like you see, I got a $29.50 account down here. I go into my live broker, I hit withdraw, I get the withdrawal link, I take the withdrawal link, I take it to my Coinbase, and in the Coinbase has another link to where it'll pull the funds out to my wallet, my Bitcoin wallet. Then I change the Bitcoin wallet. I buy cash with my Bitcoins, and then I send that cash over to my debit card. And I knew that was a lot to say, so I'm gonna just quickly, if briefly, if not, try to show you that without showing my card detail. All right, you see, I got 16 cents in the Bitcoin. I'm letting it go up. I've seen Bitcoin at 10K in the last 30 days, so I'm hoping it'll shoot up a couple hundred. That'll shoot up a couple dollars. All right, and then go from there. So, like I said, you hit receive crypto from another wallet, and then when you hit that, you in the thing, you'd have put this is your address. You send that, you give that to your broker, and they send that to your wallet, and then it shows up down here in your portfolio. All right. You can see I had 1950 in here, and my live account grew $10. It really grew more than that, but I kept my profits at $10. Okay, so from the $10, you hit deposit or withdraw, depending on what you want to do. You can hit withdraw, and it'll go right to your card, and you get deposit, and you can deposit it to an account. All right. You got the Bitcoin. I got some Bitcoin down here. All right. As you can see, Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is up 61%. My Bitcoin points. All right, you can see I sent $27 over of Bitcoin over to one of my accounts. I bought $18 worth of Bitcoin. I bought $10 worth of Bitcoin and whatnot. And some of this times, like for down here, like this 601 and stuff, some of this stuff comes from people that purchase the stuff. But you know, like I said, that's question 2. How do I withdraw my money and all that stuff? Another thing, let's talk about leverage, okay? Leverage when you go into making your broker account. This account here, I'll try to highlight it. This account, you can see it where it says 1 to 100, and then I want to try to see if I can get this account info. This say 1 to 1,000, and then it say 1 to 200. All right, and then this one is 1 to 100. I'm thinking I want to do the 1 to 100 or the 1 to what's this? Yeah, this the 1 to 1, and that's 1 to yeah 1 to 2. Okay, so yeah, the 1,000 is basically you times that number by 10, and that's how much money the system will think your account has, so it'll let you do higher risk trades. So 1,000 times 10 would have been $10,000. So for every $1 that it let me trade, it's letting me trade that one full dollar, as if I had a $10,000 account. All right, went back a couple hundred years. you used to be able to need at least $10,000 to trade into the Forex market. All right. And, I'm just glad that we got the info that we got now, and we're able to trade the Forex markets with as little as $10 accounts. All right. And you just go ahead from there. So we covered how you make money. We covered how you pull out your money. We covered how you get started with, your Forex broker. Let's talk about what a PIP is. A PIP is basically, see how it's over there on the right-hand side, it says 1.07931. If I go up like that just a little bit, it's at 1.08020. So in between what I had before into now, if you minus that on the thing, that's pips. That's a position movement. It went up. Over here, I talk about your pips. All right, these little on the right hand side. Down at the bottom is days. So you can see that if I start here, February 20th, it stopped that is high on March 10th. So that's like dang near 30 days. It was in an uptrend. So imagine if you would have had 4 or 5 trades at that level. Remember we were saying it was 4,400 and what's called. Let's say you would have been able. Let's say it's 30 days, right? And you put enough money in your account to do. Let's say you had $100 account, all right? $100 divided by 3, because this is how I tell you to get your lot size. $100 divided by 3. Divide that by 3. Divide that by 3. Divide that by 3. You want to keep going until you get lower amounts. All right? Or you could just do this. 100 times 1% is $1. Divide that by 3. Lot size. That's what you're getting. That's for one lot. Now you divide that by 3. And like I said, 1 you would have been able to do at least 3 1 accounts. So, or 3 So I want to say you could get at least 4 0.10s out. So it would have been a 0.10 times that by 4,440, $440, and you would have 4 of them times that by 4. Just off that one account, one trade, you'd have made 1776. That's people's monthly income off a 9 to 5 job. That just covered your job. Now you're cool. Now if you had your main job and you go ahead and you go from there, you do the 1776 right here, and then boom, that's it. We covered that. We covered the pip. Let's cover pairs. These are all pairs. All right, pairs. What I mean by pair, as in like a currency. You got Australian dollar versus the United States dollar, Euro dollar versus the United States dollar, the Euro dollar versus the Swiss franc banks, the Euro dollar versus the Great Britain pound, the Euro dollar versus the Japanese yen, and then it repeats itself. New Zealand dollar versus the United States dollar, and then you go from there. So that's a pair. All right, you got your charts, you got the trades that you do, you got your history, you got your mailbox. None of this stuff, other stuff would be hooked up, whatever, until you got your stuff right. Like I said, your pairs. That's pretty much it. Other than that, it is what it is. See, up $1,000 in just last week. Today I ain't trade, but just let me see. I think it froze. Just last week. I'm up 1,076 just last week, and that's because I know what I'm doing. High risk in my account to get better trades. See, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.10, 0.2, 0.2, 0.7. This is me doing normal stuff and just taking profits. Like I said, you want to be consistent, right? Just last week, right? You want to be consistent, no matter what it is. Okay, I took $28 losses, and I turned around and did my due. All right, real quick, made it right back. High risk, brought it back. So I got more wiggle room to mess up with. Then it's just about taking profits. 95 cents, 15 cents, 60, 65, 70, 65. That's almost $4 right there that I just took. And I did that all in the same, I did most of that in the same time, 345, 123, 23. Then you got all this and everything. and whatnot, and then you just taking your profits, quick profits, major, build your account, quick profits, quick profits, build your account, You want to build your account off quick profits. These are quick, consistent profits. Yeah, it's not what it was down here. What would it say? It says 970, 125. Yeah, it's not that, but you add up these little quick profits left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. Left and right, left and right, left and right. Boom, your account has grown up. All right, you don't need to go ahead and do that. You're just taking your money as you can get it. All right, blow the whole account. This is how I say it. Blow the whole account to take quick profits. That way you blew the whole account to make a quick look. 262, 159, $4, $7, $11, 15, $16, lost $5, would have been back at 11, would have been back up 14, would have been down 9, would have been back up, would have been up back 11, would have been up 13, would have been up to 15, would have been up to 17, would have been up to 19, would have been up to 21, would have been up to 22, 23, 24, 25, 20. And look, see, quick profits on your account, and it's grown. All right, it's grown. Quick 30, $40. So, like I said, I hope I fulfilled my purpose today and showed you some quick things about the Forex market. And if you have any more questions, just feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer it in the comments or mainly in the video. You know, with that being said, I hope all enjoy their 4th of July weekend. Stay safe out there. Make sure you take photos of the kids, because that's what we need. We need tons and tons of photos of the kids. And then, like I said, man, if you got any questions, just leave it in the comments box. If you get any value from any of my videos, just like it. I'm not asking you to do anything else. You don't got to share it to nobody. You ain't got to subscribe to the channel. Just like it. Then by you liking my video, it helps the next person see my video. All right? So, with that being said, God bless everybody. Stay safe, wear your mask, and enjoy life.